Hello there, welcome to you from Earning Acceleration, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all your tweets from your Twitter account by just one click for free. To delete all of your tweets from your Twitter account, you don't have to pay anything, you just have to follow few simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Twitter account, and here you can see this is my Twitter app profile, and here I have 2259 tweets which I'm going to delete right now. In order to do so, you just have to go to this website. I will put this website link in the description, and then you have to click on sign in with Twitter, and here you have to just log into your Twitter account. So here you can see our all 2259 tweets are shown on this dashboard. So if you want to delete your tweets at first, so let's see, we are going to see 200 records per page. So okay, in order to delete the tweets, you have to click on this tick mark, and if you are interested just clicking any number of tweets, you can select them manually. Otherwise, for example, if you want to delete 200 tweets, just you have to click on delete tweets, and here you can see we can delete 200 selected tweets. Or if you are interested to delete all the tweets, let's say 2259 found tweets, you can select this option, and if you click on delete now, then your all of the tweets will be deleted. In order to show you, let's say I'm going to delete 200 selected tweets only, just click on delete now, and you have to wait a little bit to complete the process. And remember, before deleting our tweets, here my number of tweets is 2259. After deleting all the tweets by them, my tweet number will be 2059. Also, after then, when you have done deleting your tweets, I am going to show you how you can revoke the access of this website to your Twitter account. So guys, here you can see after waiting for a few minutes, the tweet deletion has been completed, and the previously we have 2259 tweets, but now we have 2059 tweets. That means this website has been deleted our 200 tweets by them own. So by this way, if you are interested to delete all of your tweets, you have to just select all the tweets and then go to the delete tweets. So after deleting your tweets, your task is to remove the access of this website from your Twitter account. In order to do so, you have to at first go to your Twitter account, and then you have to click on the more button, and then go to the settings and support, go to settings and privacy. After then, you have to go to the security and account access section, and here you will find an option as apps and sessions. Just click on it, and then here you can see the connected apps, and this is our tweetteaser.com. so we have to click on this, and then we have to revoke app permissions. So just click on it, and the access of this website from your Twitter account is deleted. So now if we go back, we can see that the website access has been successfully removed, so they won't be able to access our account. So just you have to sign out from this website too. That's it. So guys, by this way you can delete any number of tweets from your Twitter account, or if you're interested to delete all of the tweets from your Twitter account very easily. So guys, that's all about today. Thank you.